Here we are, University of British Columbia Okanagan campus with Erica. Congratulations, she just graduated. And Mama. And me. So this is the Engineering Management Education Building. EME. Wunderbar.
My side.
And here we come up to the Engineering E. So this started as a prank for one of the graduating classes. They built this and dumped it on campus.
Now it's so simple.
And now the campus has moved it over here and it's kind of a permanent fixture. They're constantly painting it for different events. There's Erica on the E. Say hello, Erica, on the E.
Hey! This is my E. You're on the other side, actually.
I'm on the wrong side?
You're dyslexic E.
It's a backwards E.
Like
Hang on.
me. Actually, this side. See, they have the wire thing. That's how they pulled it to here.
So this is what would you call this area?
This is the common area, I guess.
Common area.
We just call it the pond in front of admin building.
Beautiful campus. Dormitories over there and over there, and there's the student union building. This campus is huge. Oh, there's a new building called the Commons, Library Edition.
Beer garden.
Beer garden. Oh, gotta have a beer garden.
The one that I actually never been to.
Amazing place. Is this Erica?
EME building.
EME building. You spent time here?
Yeah, this is where I basically work. So you spend most of your time here. Yeah, this is where I like to spend. Thank you. Oh, it's so pretty. There's no dirty garbage. Yeah, this lab.
Very quiet.
Not enough people. Star Lab. About 3 years old. Survive and try and applied research. They do like a lot of 3D printers in there. Research thing. There's also a shock dummy in there. Also,
Crash test.
yeah. And then one of the technicians, a really nice guy. Yeah. He took like a 3D scanner that you walk around in. Oh yeah. One of our
Because our boys also get a little frustrated when opportunities.
For one night. Somebody was
Made
basically.
it into a maker room.
Yeah, because, you know, it's a limited area access and basically taking like a free study room from students while we were just so out of library and study room. It was a bit of a thing, but it has been used quite well for last year. 3D printer. I think the head, the chest thing is one of my friend. We just got a 3D scanner and scanned our friend and
Very cool.
yeah.
Where the sorority meet.
Whatever room we book.